Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanaan Fakhruddin, name 150. I want to present a presentation about syntax. In linguistics, the word syntax comes from Greek, which is a combination of the word syn, which means together, and the word texis, which means series. Sequence syntax is one of the branches of linguistics that studies the rules that determine how words form phrase and phrases form sentence. Etymologically, the term syntax is putting together words into groups of words or sentence and groups of words into sentence. Jadi sintaks itu menjelaskan tentang penempatan kata-kata menjadi kelompok atau menjadi sebuah kalimat. Kelompok kata menjadi sebuah kalimat. Examines how sentences are formed in language user. We use a special variation that allows forming elements in sentence. In syntax, there are several parts of the sentence structure that the writer will explain, namely subject, verb, object, complement, and adverb. Next, in syntax, pada syntax ada dua hal penting untuk menganalisis syntax, yaitu frasa dan juga klausa. Yang frasa dibagi menjadi 5. Yang pertama non-phrase atau frasa nomina. Non-phrase as phrase that come from nouns that function as a subject or object of the end of a sentence. A noun phrase is a noun or pronominal that is preceded by a determinant or an article, or a noun that is preceded by one or more adjectives, all of which are preceded by an article. Example: the doctor. The is determiner, doctor is noun. A beautiful girl. A determiner, beautiful adjective, girl noun. Number 2, verb phrase or frasa verba. A verb phrase is a phrase that consists of a combination of an auxiliary verb, and a verb. Phrase verb are verbs that are verbs. Verb phrase consists of a single phrase, which is sometimes a combination of a main verb and an auxiliary verb, but can also be added with specifiers, complements, and adjuncts. Example: Bima has taken the job. Has is auxiliary verb, taken is verb. Number 3, adjective phrase adjectiva. Adjectiva phrase or adjective phrase are phrases that come from adjectives that are used to characterize noun or pronouns. Example: Tony lost his dark brown briefcase. Dark brown is adjective phrase. Number 4, adverb phrase atau frasa adverbial. Adverbial phrase are phrases that function as adverbs used to explain verb. Example: Mika usually gets up early. Usually. usually is adverb phrase. Number 5, prepositional phrase or frasa preposisi. Example, the book on the back bedroom floor is swollen from sour steam. On the bottom floor is prepositional phrase. And the next clause atau klausa. Main clause is an independent clause contained in a complex sentence. Klausa yaitu yang mengandung di dalamnya ada kalimat majmu atau makna banyak. And number one, independent clause atau klausa bebas. An independent clause is a clause that has a complex structure and has the potential to become a major sentence. Number two, dependent clause atau klausa terikat. Maaf, pada PPT salah penulisan, maksudnya klausa terikat. A bound clause is a clause that has an incomplete structure, usually accompanied by subordinating conjunction. The bound clause can also be defined as a clause that cannot stand alone as a perfect sentence, only has the potential to be an imperfect sentence. Judging from its function, this bound clause and distinguished, namely number one, noun clause atau klausa nomina. Number two, adjective clause atau klausa adjektiva. Yang ketiga, number three, adverbial clause atau klausa adverbial. Klausa terikat mempunyai struktur yang tidak lengkap, berbeda dengan klausa yang bebas. Biasanya disertai unsur-unsur konjungsi subordinatif. Klausa terikat juga dapat didefinisikan sebagai klausa yang tidak dapat berdiri sendiri sebagai kalimat sempurna, hanya mempunyai potensi sebagai kalimat tidak sempurna, jadi harus didampingi kalimat lain. And the next, constituent. In syntaxis analysis, a constituent is a word or a group of words that function as a single unit within a hierarchical structure. The constituent structure of sentence is identified using tests for constituents. These tests apply to a portion of a sentence, and the results provide evidence about the constituent structure of the sentence. Many constituents are phrase. A phrase is a sequence of one or more words. In some theories, two or more, built around a head lexical item and working as a unit within a sentence. A word sequence is shown to be a phrase or constituent if it exhibits one or more of the behaviors discussed below. The analysis of constituent structure is associated mainly with phrase structure grammars, although dependency grammars also allow sentence structure to be broken down into constituent parts. Untuk konstituen maksudnya yaitu dalam satu kalimat pasti ada konstituennya. Untuk konstituen, ketika ada sebuah pertanyaan, kata itu selalu menjadi jawaban atau bisa menjadi jawaban, itu disebut konstituen. Nah, ini pohon diagram sintaks. The sentence, I want to be a consistent person. I want, I noun, want lexical verb. To be conjunction, a consistent person, a determiner, consistent noun, person noun. In sentence, I want to be a consistent person, two question. Who want to be a consistent person? The answer, I. Question 2. What I want. The answer to be a consistent person. Jadi konstituen pada kalimat I want to be a consistent person yaitu I, number 2, a consistent person. Okay, thank you. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. I think enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.